Hello, for today's reading assignment, we are going to be working on author's purpose. Tuesday, May 5th, author's purpose. Answer questions 1 through 5. So let's move on to your worksheet. Your worksheet should look like this. Remember, what is an author's purpose? An author writes for one of three reasons: to entertain, to inform, teach, or to persuade, to convince you to do something. So for today's assignment, read the description or example and determine the author's purpose: to entertain, to persuade, or to inform, and then explain your answer. We have worked on author's purpose throughout the school year, so this isn't new. So let's review. Number 1, Mrs. Wilburn writes a note to Sadie's teacher explaining why Sadie was absent the past 2 days. Okay, so what do we have here? Someone is writing a note to explain why Sadie was absent the past 2 days. Okay, so your author's purpose. What would be your author's purpose? Let's go back. Is it to entertain, to inform you, or to persuade? For number 1, your best answer would be to inform. She is letting you know by writing a note why she was absent the past 2 days. So number 1 is to inform, and then explain your answer. Number 2, a man wrote an article in the local newspaper telling about the need to recycle in the community. He gave reasons why recycling is important and ways it can be done easily. Okay, so let's highlight your important information. We have a man who wrote an article in a local newspaper telling about the need to recycle in the community. He gave reasons why recycling is important and ways it can be done easily. So here, let's go back. Is it to what's the author's purpose? Is it to entertain, to inform, or to persuade? What is the man telling you to do? He wrote an article telling about the need to recycle in the community. He gave reasons why recycling is important and ways it can be done easily. So right here on number 2, the author is trying to persuade you, to convince you to do what? The author is trying to convince you to recycle. So there you have it. Your number 2 would be to persuade, to convince you of doing something. So this is going to be your assignment. You're going to work on 3, 4, and 5 by yourself. And if you have any questions, let me know. This is your reading assignment.